Hello everyone, I'm Mr. P. Satra. Once again I'm coming back to you for the Python class, and this time today my topic is nested loop, the second class. Nested loop, using the nested loop we can write a lot of programs. So before going to start my actual class, so this is my request, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. So I already have explained on the last class, that is nested loop. Using the nested loop we can do lot of programs. But the last class I have explained very simple category of nested loop applications, that is patterns. Today also I will show you the patterns, but the last day I have explained with constant value. Constant value means a character we have printed so many times in different way. First of all, nested loop, whenever we are going to apply for the pattern, we have to see the shape. Pattern means we want to see the shape, different types of shapes. So if you do the program, if you can understand how to make the shape, then you can do any types of pattern. Now on the last class I think I've explained, that is asterisk sign printed in different way, square, rectangle, and this is triangle form also. Today I'll explain, that is using the numbers. Yet I have to explain more problems on numbers, but today I'll explain up to this much. So again the next class I'll explain on nested loop. So let us see our nested loop applications on pattern. So you see that this is my 10th class. Today my voice is not okay, so my voice will be a little bit different. So let's see, I'm trying my level best. So this is my program, a simple program. We are solving these patterns. You see that one minor change we will do, then we will get one by one. So this time you see that the variables values are changing. But you see the last day I told you that the square shape, even the rectangle shape also I have explained. But today I'm not going that shapes once again, just I'm showing you how the different numbers you will get. So this is a sample program. You see that I'm working with 1 to 4. 1 to 4 means this will give you a first question. My first question is 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Previously on the last day I have written here one asterisk symbol I have printed. In place of J I have written this one. In place of J I have written this one. So my pattern was that time asterisk, 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 asterisk. This star sign will come 9 times. In my previous class I have shown you like this, but now today I have written here J. If you write J, what will happen? If you write J, the J's value is what? You see that outer loop, this is outer loop, this is inner loop. Inside the outer loop, how many lines are here? These are the lines are here. Now you see this loop starting value is 1, ending value less than 4. So it will be 1, 2, 3 less than 4. And this also 1, 2, 3 less than 4. Now see, this is 1. So coming inside, this is J, 1, 2, 3. J first value is 1. So this 1 will be printed. So end equal to space, that you know, there is a blank. This blank, because of this end equal to, that means it will print side by side. End equal to, if you write like this, it will print you the side by side. Now you see this, after printing this, last I have explained, that is cursor is here. To bring down the cursor here, this line will help you to bring down the cursor. So in this way, again you will go back. This time I will be 2. Second time the I is working, that means again we will go inside the inner loop. So you are coming again, you are printing 1, 2, 3. So J will be printing 1, 2, 3. So this is very simple. Whenever you are writing the constant value, that time all the places will be the same character. All the places will be the same character. But now this time you see that if you write the variable's name, how the variable is changing, that variable's value will be printed according to this shape. You see that outer loop 1 to 4, inner loop 1 to 4. Whenever these values are same and no other values, no other things are written, 1 to 4, 1 to 4, 1 to 3, 1 to 3, or 1 to 5, 1 to 5, means you will get the square shape. Okay, so you see that that is the first one I have explained. Now we will go for the second one. The second one, second question is this question number 1. You know that last day I have explained about the shape. To get this shape, what to do? We have to change, everything is same. We have to change what? We have to change what? We will write here. You see that in my previous class I have explained like this. So I plus 1. If you write I plus 1, if you write I plus 1, what will happen? It will be 2. If it is 2, that means 1 to 1. This 1 comma 2, that means it will work only once. It will work only once. And what is the value of j? That time the value of j will be, this condition is what? 1 less than 2. That means 1 less than 2 means it will work only once. 1 less than 2 means it will work only once. So once means this time you see that it is working. So this j will be this time it is okay. So this is the second question. So again you are coming out from here and your cursor is placed here. Now going back for this, I will be 2. If I is 2, you see that it is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So that means 1 2 less than 3. So it will work 2 times. It will work 2 times means j value will be 1, j value will be 2. That 2 values will be printed in the next line. That 2 values will be printed in the next line. So again you are coming down for this. Again you set your cursor here, going back. I this time 3. If it is 3, I plus, this is I plus 1 means 3 plus 1. It is 4. That means the loop will work 3 times. Loop will work 3 times. You see that loop will work 3 times. And value of j is 1, j is 2, j is 3. This will be printed. So let us see the third one. The third one, you see that each and every time it is starting with 1. Each and every time it is starting, each line is starting with 1. So in this way, that outer loop, how it is done, you see that. Then whenever we are starting the inner loop, you see that before starting of the inner loop, the value which one I am printing, that is given c equal to 1. So you see that I is 1, it is 1, 1, 2, 3. This loop is working how many times? 3 times. So 3 times it is working. Value of c is printing. After printing this 1, what is this? After printing this 1, we are increasing 1 plus 1, it will be 2. So again we are coming back. So j1 is ready. j2, j is this time 2. So j is 2 means again the value will be printed, that c counter will be 2. That c counter will be 2 because c is increased here. Then again you are going back. So 2 plus 1, c counter will be 3. So third time running, c counter is printing. So in this way you see that once again we are coming back for the next line, and I will be 2. If I is 2, this you see that inner loop is starting from 2. Inner loop is starting from 2. So 2 3, 2 times it will work. 2 times it will work. C initial value will check. Once again I am getting 1. So C initial value is 1. So these 2 lines will be printed. So C initial value is 1. So this 1 will be here. This 1 will be here. And 1 plus 1, it will be 2, going back. So next time it will be printed. So in this way, I is increasing means inner loop is decreasing. I is increasing means inner loop is decreasing. I1 means inner loop is working 3 times. So 1 2 less than 4, 3 times. I2 means inner loop is working 2 times. Okay. I3 means inner loop is working 1 time. How many times inner loop is working? Inner loop is printing this way. So you can do in any other format also. In this way also you can print this pattern. Okay. So now after this, if you want to show this pattern, what you will do, you see that this is like this shape. If you want to get this shape, and very simply we can print this one. So in that way, how you will do that? You can modify the loops counter, or you can see something different, means you can process in some different way also. So to get this one, we have to follow this only to, we have to start from 5. So another variable you can use, or you can modify the loop in this way. So if I show you this program, so that time you write this C counter, we are doing the number 4. So number 4 is, suppose C equal to how much is given? 5. So this 5, you see that each and every time this will be 1, and this is I plus 1. So if you write this program, what will happen? It will give you the set like this, but the value I need 5, 6, 7. So you will print this. What you will do not change it here. You have to change it C equal to C plus 1 here. So C is how much? 5 plus 1, 6. So next time it will start from 6. So 6, all the lines it will print 6, 6, 6. So I will show you this one. So definitely you can understand then properly. Please check. This is my So I will show you this one. Check it please. Lot of problems I will solve right now in front of you. What the changes will be there, what the patterns you will get. Let's see all of you. Check it. So you will check this. Whenever you will write this J value, I have explained in the first program J value. Run this program, you check this pattern is coming 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This is the pattern you are getting. What we are writing, the question number 1. Okay, sorry, question number 2. This is question number 2, I plus 1. If I equal to 1, this is 1 plus 1, 2. So inner loop is working 2 times. So value of J is printing. If you write asterisk sign in the last class, I have shown you here constant value. Now this time we are writing the variable name. Now after that, suppose if it is square matrix, what you will do? Square matrix, similar type, 1 to 4, 1 to 4. And if you print this, what will happen? You check once. So run this modulation. Okay, check this. This is the square shape. We are getting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 like this. Now I will do this question number 3, that is 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, then that is the value. So in this situation we can do in this way also. We can, this type of problem we can modify the loops counter here. C equal to 1. Each and every time I will not print J, I will print C, and C value we will update one by one. C equal to C plus 1. Let's see what will happen. This will make a square shape. This will make a square shape, and the value you will get, you see this value, you will see this, it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 like this. Now if you write, suppose if you write like this here, if you write the shape I want to change, if you want to change the shape, what will happen? Run this option, check, this pattern will come like this. This pattern is coming 1, 2, 3, and this is your program. This is your program. So now this is question number 3. What we are solving? This is question number 3. We are solving in this way. We can modify the loops counter, this loops counter, this loops counter. Then we don't require any extra variable. But now I am using one extra variable. After that we are solving, because I don't have to think about so much. We can easily get this pattern like this. Okay. Now the fourth one, that 5, then 6, 6, then 7, 7. So what you will do that time? You will not write it here. I will take extra variable outside the outer loop. Here you will take one extra variable. Suppose C equal to 5 initially you take, and this one you will not change it here. You will not change it here. I will change it. You will write it here. Change will be here. C equal to C plus 1. what will happen? See this will give you the fourth pattern. This will give you the fourth pattern. You see this will give you the fourth pattern. Check 5, then sorry, this is the not the shape, fourth shape, the fourth pattern. The shape I have to change it only. The shape I have to change means what you will do, here you will write 1, here you will write 1, and here you will write I plus 1. So sorry, so you will get the fourth one. So to get the fourth one, run this option. Okay, so we will get the fourth one. You check this 5 6 6 7 7. This is the fourth pattern. On the board I have written the question. That questions are solved in this way. Okay, now once again the question number 5, 975. What was that question number? 975. Question number 5, it was 975. So 975, how we will do? That is another counter. I will take C equal to 9. I will start each and every time the line is starting with 9. So I will, if any line is starting with the same value, then you will take extra variable here, and that variable you will print it here. And you see that the line, if it is changing the line's value, so C equal to C, how much? -2. C equal to C -2. So that time you will not write this line you will not write. Now you check, run this option. Shape, this time question number 5 shape is different. So if shape is different, what you will do, here you will write I, and here you will write 4, here you will write 4 to get that shape, the shape which one is given on the board. That question number 5 I am solving. Question number 5, you check, this is the question number 5 I am solving. Check it, 975 and 97 and 9. This is the answer of this. Now another important question, that is question number 6. Question number 6, you see that question number 6, it is increasing order. Each and every time line is starting with 65. Line is starting with 65, and it is printing here, and it is +1 method. It is +1 method. So what will happen? I'm showing this pattern for special reason. You see that what is the reason? This is question number 6. Question number 6 pattern. That is 65 in the first line, then 65 66 in the second line, third line will be 65 66 67. You check, this is the pattern. This is the pattern. This is shape we have changed. So you can understand this, if the shape is changed, so only that place, because this was for the previous program. So what we will do, you will write 1, you will write I plus 1. So to get that question number exact shape, okay, you will see this one, you will get like this. You see this 65 65 66 65 66 67. Why we are doing this one? Because using this program we can only, if you write it. Now you check that question number 6, how you will solve. Question number 6 is 65. Question number 6, what is the question number 6? Question number 6 is 65, then 65, then 66, then 65, then 66, then 67. This is question number 6. So this question I will solve using this method, So this will give you this method. Now after that, if you can solve this problem, we can easily solve this one. We can easily solve this one using the ASCII value. A, then space B, then space B, then A, space B, space C. So how simply we will do this, you will check. Okay, so let's see how we will do this one. First we will do this, then we will do this. Simply we can do this. So delete this one. Now see what to write. This is, I will write bracket. First you check this one, what we are getting. Run this 65, you see that 65 65 66 67. Now you see this, you will write CHR cap, CHR. This you see, run this option. Now check, I think you will definitely I've done a mistake. CHR invalid, perhaps a word comma given. This will be within bracket. This will be within bracket. So you see this, run this, okay, check. This will be as this one. Okay, very simply that you have to follow. This is changing this ASCII value into character form. So this is the way to write in this way. So sometime we have to change the character into ASCII, ASCII value into character. This is the ASCII value and this is the character format. And if you write character, we can change that one is ORD. Okay, so that I'll show you on next class. So up to this much, I think you can understand it properly. Okay, so one more special pattern is there with this, that is I'll show you this one. So this one you can understand how to solve this pattern. Okay, A, B, and a lot of patterns are there. It's not possible to show you in one day. So let's see another one. This is the last one I'm showing you and today. So after that on my next class definitely I'll show you more. You see that special pattern. Suppose C equal to 1 you have taken. You see that C equal to 1 you have taken, and this one it will give you the unique value. Okay, so in this way we will get this any shape okay. You see this, what will happen? Run this module. This will give you a sequence number of digits, means values, 1, then 1 2 3, then 4 5 6. In this way the numbers in order. You can increase, if you increase the size. Suppose I want to write 10, I want to write 10. So what will happen? Run this program, computer, check it, what the values are coming, check it, see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and the sequence of values are coming. Okay, so the patterns are different, lot of different patterns are there. We will understand in our different classes. For the time being, up to this much, because in one day it is not possible to show you all types of patterns. Sometimes we have to use the pattern with a different space. If you generate the space, it will give you different types of shapes. Now up to this much, I think if you like my class, please subscribe my channel, please press the bell icon for the notification. So definitely I'll come back once again with different types of program using the nested loop only. I think 2 more classes I will upload on nested loop, then at least I can explain about the nested loop properly. So till then, goodbye.